guys, I'm coming to you from Humber Bay Park, which is a beautiful park on Lake Ontario, west of Toronto. A couple days ago I got in touch with Canadian Tire and I was like, hey guys, let's do something together. So they sent me a list of like things that Canadians are doing across the country for the long Labor Day weekend, and I was like, girl, Toronto is missing. So I thought, why not compile my own video and see what we can do on the long Labor Day weekend around Toronto. So today there is an air show, which I have already filmed. I don't know if I got any cool footage, but I'm gonna share some of it with you. So far our weekend is off to an incredible, sunny, warm, beautiful start. So let's go. So now I am in the butterfly habitation park, which is still a part of like the Humber Park area. It's so pretty. It's like really nice to walk around here. So honestly, like especially when the weather is nice, there's so many beautiful parks and like just little walkways, trails. You can go hiking, you can go for a walk, and this is still day one. So it is now much later in the day. I was so tired. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you saw me soaking my feet in like ice water. They were so swollen and so burnt from being in the sun. I was literally in the scorching heat trying to film the air show or whatever for 4 hours, and I barely got any cool footage because it was so cloudy and like outside. So now I'm gonna take you guys to the Air India Memorial. So let's go check that out. Whoop.
Oh, no video.
Yeah. Is this a map? It's not a map. Okay, let's just check. So I came back to Humber Bay Park because I really wanted to like do a little bit more showing you around this side of Toronto, but this is a really slow day, but I think that's the point, right? It's a day off, it's a day to chillax, but it's also a day to vlog. And my brother is still looking for a memorial site.
Sorry, we're this way.
Do you do that too? Like, do you turn the phone when you need to like find where you're going? Because I do that.
So the water's this way.
Oh, so we have to go down that little thing where the cars are. I know where we're going, I think.
Yep.
Okay. Let's head that way. Okay, so ask me the question again.
So how do you know about the Air India Memorial?
Funny, you should ask. Actually, this was not a planned thing. He just happened to ask me. So
how do you know? Yeah. So how do you know about the Air India Memorial?
When I first like moved back to Canada after Australia, I was living in that building, and I decided to go for a walk one day. Like it was like September, so I just wanted to like explore the area, and I wound up at this tiny little beach, which I hope I can find. And that's when I saw the Air India Memorial, and I thought it was like the coolest little thing. Unfortunately now, with the way the world is, we can't build enough of those memorials. So yeah. Are you listening to me?
Yeah, I'm listening.
Okay, repeat all of that. Also, if you are in this Humber Bay Park, like the smaller side is like the walking side, and then the bigger side is the biking side. So don't walk on the biking side. Don't do it. So we're gonna go this way. This vlog is essentially just me vlogging my brother's butt. Oh, okay. That's like Mimico Etobicoke. Okay, so we're here. So this here behind me is the Air India memorial from the flight in 1985. I just thought it was kind of cool. I don't think a lot of people know about it. So it's right in Toronto in Humber Bay Park, which is like on the west side. I'm sure I've said that before. And yeah. This memorial honors the 329 passengers and crew members who perished in the bombing of Air India Flight 182, June 23rd, 1985 at 7:13 a.m. off the coast of Ireland, and the 2 baggage handlers killed in the associated bombing at Narita Airport in Japan on that day. This act of terrorism is a Canadian tragedy planned and executed on Canadian soil. The Government of Canada has declared June 23rd to be the National Day of Remembrance for Victims in Terrorism. The names of the victims are inscribed on a granite wall that is oriented in the direction of Ireland, the location of the crash site. The wall of names and sundial are similar to the memorial built in Kista, Ireland. This sundial marks the passage of the sun on the 23rd of June and identifies 8:41 a.m. EDT as the equivalent of solar noon in Kista, when the sun is oriented directly south of the Irish sundial and shines directly upon it.
Then like there's like people who are like full families gone.
Yeah. Done. So day 2, Uncle Chips. That's good. Honestly, if you have never had Uncle Chips and you have access to them, whether you are in India or close to an Indian store, get them. They're so good. So now we are heading to a small little diner off of Church and Carlton. So we're gonna go get the food there. Apparently it's like really cheap and that should be fun. Oh, also it's like Saturday. No, just kidding. It's Sunday and it's like 7 o'clock. So we're gonna go get some food and then see what we're gonna do next. So say again, where are we going?
The Golden Diner. The Golden Diner. Cheap and really good. Just remember that. Blown away how cheap. Open?
Yes, still open.
Yay! Okay, cool.
Hello.
The breakfast, where's the coffees already?
For those of you who do not know, Church Street is also like the Gays district in Toronto, so that's where the Pride Parade
Look how good this
was.
is. Like 4 eggs, 4 sausages.
The things you do to fit into a frame. It's from
Canadian Tire. Yeah. They have so much gear and reflective tapes and stuff. I really liked it, but then I don't need it right now.
You guys ready to order now?
Yes.
Okay, coffee?
I ordered coffee, yes.
I'll have a coffee too.
Okay.
Make that 3.
Can we get one more coffee?
One more coffee?
Yeah.
Okay.
I will have the chicken souvlaki dinner.
Okay, that's the way to go.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Perfect. Perfect. Thank you. Thank you. Like the pancake I can do like in the mornings. Like pancakes morning, bro. Not right now. It's like, what time is it? It's 8 o'clock. Not right now. Pancakes are exclusively for the morning.
I want this side to myself.
I'm natural in front of the camera, okay? I'm way better than you are.
So I did like...
So horrible. So horrible.
I tried to record a video with my brother at home. I'm actually going to insert a small clip of that, maybe in here, and you guys can see how awkward he was.
I'm not talking about myself, okay? But the service sometimes it's horrible.
Yeah.
Even you say thank you and they go away.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh, happy tap on that.
Oh, thank you.
So good.
Yeah. Oh, let me show you that kind of food.
So like I have pay-per-view access?
$9. So 20 minutes ago, we were supposed to go to Toronto and do some filming, but the 9 o'clock meeting has been postponed to 10 o'clock or something, I don't know. So this is my Sunday night, but tomorrow's a holiday, so it's not a big deal. I don't even know what's gonna happen tomorrow. Let's see if we get anywhere tonight. Maybe I'll just go home and do some nothing. So it is now, what day is it today? It's Monday, so it's Labor Day today, so it's a holiday. I am extremely tired. Can you tell? I'm so tired. But we came out today to High Park for a beautiful walk, and there was just a shit ton of rain, so it's really pretty out. So I'm gonna show you around here for a minute. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
2 hours later.
Hey, hold on.
That's
This is the part. This is
If it wasn't for these vlogs, I feel like I wouldn't be doing as much as I'm doing. I wouldn't be seeing as much as I'm seeing. So in a way, thank you for encouraging me to do more. I don't know why my camera's not focusing, but the intention to show you more by doing more continues.